Hi everyone, welcome to the Lumion's courses from Just Necessary. This very first lesson is to introduction to some basic shortcuts in Lumion. These shortcuts will make your work process much more efficient. The first thing we must do is choose Plan Environment. It is a simple environment in Lumion. You can then edit and customize the environment to suit your needs. The essential shortcut is to working with Lumion is navigation. To move the camera forward, click W or up arrow. To move the camera down, click S or down arrow. Move the camera to the left, use A or left arrow. To move the camera to the right, click D or right arrow. Click Q and E to move the camera up and down. Next, there are 3 different speeds to move the camera in Lumion. To move the camera very slowly, click Space and the navigation buttons. Click Shift together with the navigation buttons will make your camera move faster. To move the camera very fast, click Shift and Space and the navigation buttons. Use the right mouse together with mouse movement to look around. Click center mouse and mouse movement to pan the camera. Use the mouse wheel to move the camera forwards and backwards. There are some additional shortcuts for navigation. To reset the camera pitch to the horizontal viewpoint, use Ctrl+H. And boom, it's very simple. Make some camera scenes. Lumion could save up to 10 camera views in one photo set. Click Ctrl and 1, 2 until 9 and 0. To load the previously saved camera viewpoints, use Shift and 1, 2 until 9 and 0. You can create a camera from any angle you like. By going around your design, the result can be seen in the photo mode. We can continue adjusting the camera angle and add more effect to the photo. If you're having trouble flying around Lumion smoothly, likely your computer can't handle the graphic details. You can speed it up by adjusting a few settings. Lowering the editor quality and resolution will increase the editor speed, which means you can fly more quickly around your Lumion scene. We have 4 quality levels. 1 star means all shadows type and some movie effects off. 2 stars mean Lumion's landscape shadows and omni shadow off. 3 stars to turn up Lumion landscape shadow. 4 stars for the highest quality level and turn everything on. Use F1, F2, F3, and F4 to apply these editor's qualities. We will go through Lumion's object library and object placement. Lumion has an extensive object collection that you may use to decorate your project. They may be found in the bottom left section, the Objects tab. For example, to place some trees in your model, to do so, click on the Nature category. When you click on the Placement button, a list of all the trees, plants, and other nature items in the Lumion's library will appear. As you can see, there are several rows of just broadleaf trees to choose from. as well as conifers, palms, and other trees. You may also utilize the search option if you have a specific tree type. When you pick one, it appears under the cursor. You can place the objects by clicking on the scene. The Properties table will show you when you choose the object. You may change the color of the foliage and the transparency of the tree. Notice that when you use this tool, it randomly rotates the objects as you place it, so that nothing looks uniform. That's one of the things I like about Lumion is the mask placement tool. This tool can pass unnoticed from the first time, but you can find it under the Place Object button. Mask placement tools allow you to place objects along the path you select. Click Enter and accept a current line and start a new line. To add the point to the current line, you control with the left mouse button. Remove the point from the current line using the right mouse button. You can customize it also. Then you can adjust the number of objects along the path, set randomization of direction, and so on. Select the model you want. You can either click on the model you want to select, or you can use this method. To select multiple objects, you control and drag with left mouse button. To select or deselect an object from the current selection, hold Ctrl and click on the Select Object icon. Combine the Shift button if you want to add a new rectangular selection to the current selection. To deselect an object, just hold Ctrl and click anywhere with the left mouse button. You can copy the objects in Lumion also. To copy selected objects, hold the Alt and left mouse button and move the mouse. If you want to adjust the object size or position, you can choose Select. Go to the small dot and select the object. You can now adjust the position and the rotation. To change the direction of the selected object, we use the Rotate button. Just click R and left mouse buttons and move the mouse. To scale the object using the mouse, just click L and left mouse buttons to move the mouse. Great! Now we know all the essential tools to work with in. Let's make some fantastic renders. Don't worry if you forget some of the shortcuts. There is a summary of all the necessary tools in the description below.